In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can find unknown values in an identity. Looking at the example on the left-hand side, I can see that this and this are identically equal for all values of x, the fact that this symbol has been used. In order to solve this problem, I'm going to find the values of f and g by equating coefficients. What this means is that I need to simplify the left-hand side and then compare it with what I've got on the right-hand side. So expanding out the brackets, 6 times 6x is 36x. 6 times 5 is 30. Negative 2 times fx would give me negative 2fx. And negative 2 times negative 5 will then give me positive 10. Collecting together any like terms, we've got 36x take away 2fx plus 40. And this is identically equal to 28x plus g, according to the identity. One thing I'm going to do with the left-hand side is to factorize and take x out as a common factor. So this leads me to 36 take away 2f, x plus 40. And this is identically equal to 28x plus g. The value of g is now easy to read off, and I can see that g is equal to 40. But the value of f can only be found by equating the coefficient of x. That 36 minus 2f is equal to 28. Subtracting 36 from both sides would lead me to negative 2f is equal to negative 8. And dividing both sides by negative 2, f is equal to 4. So I've now answered the original problem. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So like what we did before, I'm going to expand out the brackets and compare the coefficients in order to be able to find my values of e and f. 5 times 6x is 30x. 5 times 3 is 15. Negative 4 times ex is negative 4ex. And negative 4 times negative 7 is positive 28. Simplifying by collecting like terms, 30x minus 4ex plus 43 is now identically equal to the right hand side of my identity, which is 22x plus f. Factorizing out x, I get 30 minus 4e x plus 43. And this is identically equal to 22x plus f. F is now easy to read off that f must be 43. But the coefficient of x, the 22, as 30 minus 4e. So 30 minus 4e is equal to 22. And subtracting 30 from both sides would give negative 4e is equal to negative 8. And therefore e is equal to 2. I've now found my value of e and f, and therefore answered the original problem.